Hello to everyone. We are here in Davos, Switzerland. My name is Fedra Lougiaki. I'm here with you as a member of the Startup Greece delegation. I'm here with Mr. Konstantinos Kastanis, CEO of Solbotix, and we are very, very happy to be part of this amazing event. I would like to welcome you, Mr. Kastanis. Thank you so much for being here with me.
Thank you very much for having me. So, since I have some time, I would like to introduce to everybody Solbotix.
Please.
Solbotix is obviously a robotics company. We have designed a waterless photovoltaic panel cleaning robot, which is supposed to clean photovoltaic panels in arid areas. It is a very big problem worldwide. The International Energy Agency estimates it at 5 billion euros lost revenue each year due to soiling. So we have this product and we are here in Davos promoting its technology and looking for suitable partners, maybe in Middle East, North Africa, to set up production there. I think that's it.
That's great. So we're going to have our interview very soon. So this is a teaser. Please make sure to follow us on our social media and don't forget to connect. Have a wonderful day.